So hello internet people. So today I want to fix one of my machines here. This machine, it was one of the first machines we got in this shop. So today, sometimes back the belt of this machine broke. So I had to replace with one. I got it in Nairobi here. So this is one of them, the ones I replaced, but it's not the correct belt size. It's actually longer. It's actually longer than the normal size for this machine. And I realized one thing about these machines, especially machines that come from Europe. All these machines you see here come from Europe. So this machine is from Italy. It's called silca. So now, when such things break, like this belt, you have to get the original. Otherwise, the machine will function in a way that it's not optimal. So what I decided to do is that I got one which was a bit close to the original, the one that I'm using now. This machine has been working. Like now, it can cut the key. Yes, it can cut the key. Yes, but it's not working optimal. So I went to start looking around. Locally, I couldn't find the correct one, the original from silca. So this one I got it from the US. There's a company called UHS in the US. It's on their website. I just ordered it. It's about $18. It's much cheaper as compared to even buying in Europe, because I tried looking for this same belt in Europe. I couldn't find. So I decided to order it online on a website I saw in the US. So I ordered it, and then it was delivered by one of the shippers, one of the logistics company. They got it here for they took like almost a month. But I think it's because of the normal issues of shipping. Sometimes they need you to fill something form online so that it can be shipped and such blah blah stories. Now I have the correct belt. This is the exact belt. Actually, the original belt. I'm going to open one. Let me open one so that you can see how it looks. Because actually I'm going to use one. So let me get my scissors here. So normally you'll cut it very nicely, and of course avoid cutting the belt itself, because a single scratch on the belt would mean some injury which can affect its functionality. So as you can see, this is from silca. This is the brand of the machine. It's actually made in India and then taken to the US, of course, and shipped to the world. Yeah, most of these things are not made in US or Europe, as they say, but they're actually made in Europe. So the next thing I'll do is to open the machine. So this is the exact belt. This is the exact belt. The original was written like this. I had it somewhere, but I think I threw it somewhere. I can't trace it right now. But let's go to the main thing. So today I'm going to replace the belt for this machine. This machine has been serving me for the last more than 6 years with one single belt. So I got two belts. I'm going to use this one. So of course this one I expect it to last me for maybe another 5 years. Then I have the second one ready. Maybe I'll source for this machine as well, in readiness for that time when it breaks. So let me take my water. So in order to open this one, I'm going to disconnect power, of course. So power is off. Then I'll need this one. I'm going to use this one to open. This machine has like four screws, number 10. So, but first of all, I need to open let me use this one. I'm going to use this to open, these are some small Torx screws here. I need to open them. Like 3 of them. us the belt. It's actually the belt housing. There are like 3 of them. Yeah, so you can see this belt actually is getting worn out very quickly, as you can see here. So maybe because it's not the correct one. So, and that's it. So some of the things that I've changed in this machine is this brush normally gets worn out very quickly, this one. So the way you see here, this thing is not in the correct shape. This one was a bit smaller, so I had to move this machine back here just for the sake of being able to use it. So let me do some cleaning here. Yeah, so let me turn it this way. So the 4 screws, we have this one, this one, this one, and then there's another one at the back. So first of all, I need to open this one. This. Open this. Yeah. Like there's something wrong somewhere here. Yeah. Yeah. So this plate has to come out so that you can access this screw just below this earthing. You can see this one. So you are supposed to loosen it. You're not supposed to open it completely. You just loosen it like this. Yeah. Like that. Loosen it like this. I think now this motor can be able to move back and forth. So, but first of all, we need to remove this belt. We can remove it using a flat screwdriver like this one. Yeah. So you move it like this. So the correct belts, where is it? So the belt is here. This is the original belt. It's called Poly F2180. The number was, this was the number in the original, and of course I saw these ones and this. some of these writings were not visible because of course it was worn out. So this is how you put it. So you do like this. So you have to use a flat screwdriver like this one. Like that. It's already in. So what you do now, you push this part. Now something interesting is happening here. I don't know. So we need to move this up front. Something that I'm not sure. It's looking like it's not in the correct position. We can try and do a test. Let's put the power on the main switch. Turn it. I'm not sure about the size because it looks like this is size it's looking like it's smaller, because normally this machine is supposed to move to the middle. So yeah, I think let me see this around if there is any difference. This is 52. It's about something here. I'll just confirm. It's just the same thing. Yeah. It's just the same thing. So yeah. So I'm going to tighten it. So if there isn't, you just switch it off and then you tighten it. So maybe I turn it like this. Yeah, I think that's okay. So let me tighten it a bit. Using my T10. So let me put back the splits here. This is actually the main switch, and this is earthing. This is of course where the power is coming from, the power duct. So let me put back this thing. So you can see here. These three pieces. try and do the last test before I put back the cover. So let's move some power. Switch. The machine is good now. You can do a trial of a key here. We try a Toyota key. So just try to cut this one and then see how strong it is. This machine has a problem on this side. I don't know. This one is not really making the machine not function. But sometimes it disturbs. But if it holds like this, it will work. So let me try. Cut this key. I think this one is a bit stronger. This belt is holding very well, so I think it's what I was looking for. So for now, I think I'll work with it so long as it does the job. But if it's not the correct size in terms of maybe length, I think it's a bit short. But I'll try and research if it is. That's the issue. But I think for now it does the job, and it's a very strong belt. So I think I'll work with it for now. So long as it makes the machine cut the keys properly, I have no problem with it. It does the job in short. So let me put back this belt, this cover. Just a very simple thing. Yeah? So you know, when you have such kind of machines, you must be able to know how to do stuff. You're a technician, so basically you should be able to fix even the machines that you're using, so that you don't have to to look for someone else or rely on someone else or incur any expenses in terms of looking for someone to maintain for you machines. If machines like this, if a machine like this breaks down and you're not able to fix even something like a belt, then it means you're not a technician. You should be able to do it on your own. Yeah, there's so much information online about how to do stuff, and these are things you can fix on your own without needing someone else to come. Yeah, unless it is something like maybe fixing something else. Maybe the motor is broken. That's something that's a bit more complicated. You might need someone to fix it. But I think when you're a technician in such a scenario, in such very small things like replacing a belt like this one, replacing a brush like this, for example, yeah, trying to adjust these ones, yeah, it should be something you can do on your own without needing to get someone to help you. There's so much information online. You can do a search. You can use AI as well to get information. Yeah, AI is here to help you today. So, and you don't have to read it. You can even talk to AI app, and it can explain to you if you're not good at reading. So I think the machine is perfect. Yeah. I think we are good to go. The machine is done now. Yeah, I think next time I'll work on this other one, the big boss here. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video.